sunlight. Good morning. Rory, get up. Get ready. Always be safe wherever you go. All of you beautiful people to also always be safe wherever you go. Bring your heart with your full heart and always hug yourself. Don't forget that. Be nice to yourself. Be kind to yourself. No need to be hurry. Just slow down and be calm. Everything is gonna be okay. And I know that everything is temporary in this world. Yes, and it's true. Yes,